having a great day. Today I'll be showing you how to draw a side face of a girl step by step. This is for beginners. And yeah, without further ado, let's just get on to the video. So guys, we're just going to draw a vertical line. So it should be 17.5 cm, and we should make a point there, and that there should be a horizontal line that should be 3.5, and another point that should be 10 cm, and then another that should be 15. So yeah, next we're just going to draw like the face shape of the girl's face. So we're going to draw two lines. So the first line should be like slightly tinted, as shown on your screen. So you can use a ruler if you'd like, and make a straight. The next line should be like straight. And now we're just going to draw the hair shape like a curved line. You can fix it. This is just a rough outline. We're going to do all the shading and everything later. So yeah. Now we're just drawing like the head. We're drawing another curved line in the opposite direction. And this is also the hair. So yeah. Now we're just going to draw like the nose, and then in the same line we're just going to draw the lips. So the pointed bit was basically for the nose, and for the chin, don't make the chin too long, and this is just the outline, so just make it light. We're going to fix it and do a darker outline later. Now we're just going to, after we draw the chin, we're going to draw the earring and draw the ear next. So yeah, you can fix the shape of the chin and the nose. So yeah, now we're just drawing the nose, the details. And we're going to draw the eyelid next. Be sure you're doing this with the dark pencil. We're drawing the eyelashes next. I told you in my last video that you should do the eyelashes with a sharpened pencil, so it's nice and pointy. That'll look more realistic. You can adjust them into the right shape. Now we're just going to draw the eyebrow. Just make some very thin strokes there. So yeah, if you have to fix the chin more, you can if you'd like. Make it less more pointy. And if you have to, you can make it smaller. You can even erase the ear and the earring and then start over if you think you need to fix a shape very nicely. So yeah. Next, we're just drawing the neck. So don't make this too thin. So the second line should be after the earring. So yeah, you can just give it a good shape. Now we're just going to move on drawing the arms and everything. Give the body a good posture. Just going to draw a curved line there, and we're going to draw the arm. Just don't make it too thin. And make a light straight line first, and then fix it if you'd like. Then just draw a straight line. We're going to make patterns there later, so yeah. Now just make like a curved line to represent the curls in the hair. So yeah. Curly hair looks very nice in drawings. We're going to outline this and make it darker later. So yeah, just darken the lines. Now we're just going to draw the flower on the girl's hair, as you saw in the intro. So yeah, this is just a rough one, like sketch. We're going to darken this later and give it a better shape. And we're going to do all the shading and everything later. So we can fix the hair if you'd like. Now just draw some straight lines for the like to represent the hair as well, and some curved lines the other side. By the other side, we're just going to draw the same curly hair. So yeah, make it the outlines. Now we're just going to draw the pattern I told you earlier. So basically we're going to just draw the first line that's like very thick, and then the second line that's a bit thinner and doesn't have as much shading, and the third line will be very thin with no shading. So yeah, we're just going to follow that pattern for the t-shirt. This pattern is very basic and simple, but it stands out nicely. So yeah, just a basic pattern there. So yeah, we're just going to outline now. Do this with a nice dark pencil. Your tip may be thin or like blunt, sharpen or blunt. It's your choice. So yeah, erase the lines if you have to. Just add more details and outline the hair as well. Make the outline very darker. The outline makes it stand out, and yeah, it'll look very pretty also after you do the outline. So we're just going to do for the other side of the hair, and yeah. So yeah, now we're going to outline the flower. Make this nice and dark. And we're just going to do the shading, draw lines like going into the petals each, and you can blend it if you'd like. Fix the outlines if you have to. Now we're just drawing the hair, very thin strokes with a sharp pencil. Do this with a sharp pencil. We're going to do the shading later. So yeah, this will make the hair look more realistic. So yeah. Just add in the details. If there's shading because of the light pencil marks, you can erase that. Now we're just going to shade the lips to make it look more realistic, and also the hair. I will erase the lines. So yeah, after you erase the lines, it'll look very nice. You can outline it again if you'd like. You can make the lips look more smiling, or just leave the normal expression. It's your choice. Make the outline a bit darker if it has gone like with the shading. So yeah. So guys, this is the basic drawing, the side view of a girl with a flower in her hair. So yeah, you can just add in some details and everything. So guys, that was the basic video of how to draw a side face of a girl with a flower in her hair. So yeah, if you haven't checked out the first and second part of this series, please check it out. We'll link it down in the description box below. And I hope you have a great day, and I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. I hope you have a great day. Bye.